Retail company Mojostar partners with celebrities to co-create brands in the lifestyle space. Currently, the company has launched Jacqueline Fernandez Just F and Tiger Shroff's Proud in the market. Proud recently launched with an anthem that revolves around the brand promise of ready to move and caters to India's young and active generation. While the lyrics resonates with the challenge-oriented mindset of today's youth, the brand video subtly urges style and fitness-conscious consumers across India to constantly test their boundaries and keep working to push them forward. As Prowl takes the content route for its launch instead of regular advertising, BuzzinContent.com caught up with Mojostar's founder Jiggy George to talk about his content-first strategy. Has content marketing reached a stage where it could become the face of the brand launch?
Mostly all brands land up doing something like a brand film, and then they would do a teaser leading up to a brand film, etc. They would put the brand film out digitally or on television the way you deem fit. And it's pretty much a templatized thing, and we just wanted to break that template. So the question which we were asking was, is it possible to create branded content, second, with some kind of a message, third, what would be, and could music be a good medium to push that, specifically because the target audience that we are talking to is very young India. It's more 18 to 28 is what our TG is. It's predominantly digital. So our focus was, it should be digital, it needs to have some kind of a message, it should have music ideally, and create a branded content piece versus putting out just the brand film.
Both the campaigns for Just F and Prowl were digital heavy. Wouldn't TV ensure a wider reach?
TV also has its a lot of wastage. So I think that if most of your target audience is on the digital world, in that age group, I would think digital is the best medium to get to them. So we're very sure, both in the case of Just F as well as with Prowl, that all our spends were only on digital.
How much focus would be there on content vis-a-vis advertising for Prowl?
When it comes to branded content, will play an important role in whatever we do, because most of what we do, I mean all of what we do is also with a celebrity face. They have a wide reach. So if you look at Jacqueline Fernandez, has a 20 million followers on social media. It's far more prudent to take a digital route, and also create some branded content. So if you want to peg it in terms of percentage value, I would still say 80-20 in favor of digital to branded content.
For Just F, Mojostar chose to go with an advertising campaign. So why content for Prowl?
We took a route of our entire positioning is built around on Just F, on fun, fashion and fitness, and we thought the best route to take at launch phase would be to create a commercial. And the commercial actually, when you view it, you can actually see how we're making light of, or more importantly, looking at it from a very woman's lens, which is not necessarily a man's lens of very high adrenaline, pumping iron. A gym kind of a routine is not necessarily how women see fitness, and we wanted to showcase that, and we did so by way of a commercial. Now in the case of Prowl, we had some, this just came out of brainstorming sessions, and I think Tiger has a lot to do with this, because when we said why can we create a piece of branded content, we also tossed around the idea that the music should be more hip hop, more rap, and he felt that would alienate a large part of Indian youth, because it's almost like it's very cool and funky, but two things, that it's a smaller group, it's very rebellious, and it's not it's not who Tiger is. So we said, let's go unabashedly Bollywood. Most brands in the active lifestyle space take years to build a slogan, right? And you can take any of the top brands in the world. Our slogan is ready to move, and that was the objective. How do we communicate through a branded piece of content ready to move in a most cool way that the youth get it, and showcase as much of Tiger's moves and also more people within the shoot, within the branded content, showcasing b-boying, cycling, various other activities, dancing of course.
Will we see Mojo Star tapping TV for its campaigns going forward?
It would be in time. So we are at a very early stage. So our distribution is also on our own channel, which is prowlactive.com, and on justf.in, and it's on Amazon Fashion. As we get wider with our distribution both offline, we would then even contemplate or think about TV. But frankly, digital is doing most of. We're very happy with whatever we are doing on the digital front, and I think that we will continue with digital for a period of time.
The clothing segment is heavily cluttered right now. How can content marketing help you stand out?
I think we already stood out. So, for example, just at the pre-launch stage itself, we just, with this branded piece of content, we partnered with T-Series. The song went on live. It's currently at about 26 million views. So from a reach perspective, we've got what we had to. Second is that it's played out on all the music channels. It was an exclusive with MTV for a couple of days before it went on to all the other channels. It played out on radio, and it continues to play out. What was more important is that after we put out this piece of content, our communication didn't become just a monologue, it became a dialogue. So what happened is that people started sending in their own interpretation of Tiger's moves within the song.